guys, welcome to my channel. This is Daisy. I hope you're all well. Today I'm going to make garlic naan, and we all know garlic naan is our favorite. If we go to an Indian restaurant, we order it without fail. So for a long time I thought garlic naan was really complicated to make. I thought you needed special equipment for that we couldn't do at home. But actually, as it turns out, no, it's quite simple to make at home. And I have tried this recipe quite a few times actually, and it's my family a new favorite. So without much ado, come on, let me show you how to do it at home. Okay guys, so first of all, we'll need 2 cups of flour, and this is all measured. Half cup of yogurt, a teaspoonful of grated garlic, 2 tablespoons of oil, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 3/4 teaspoon of salt. These we will use for the dough. For the topping, we will need 2 to 3 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 teaspoonful of garlic grated, and roughly chopped coriander, about 2 tablespoons. So we'll start with the dough. Just put it in a bigger bowl. We'll now add the oil to it, 2 tablespoons, the grated garlic, that's 3/4 spoonful of salt, 1 teaspoonful of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoonful of baking soda. Just put the yogurt in it as well, 1/4 cup, and then just mix everything together. This is actually the base of any naan. If you minus the garlic in it and just bake it, it would be a plain naan. And if you applied butter on it only, that would be butter naan. So that's it. Mixed all the ingredients together. Now we just add water from the dough. We just want it like the dough that we use to make chapati. Get in there and use your hands to make it nice and smooth dough. If it gets too sticky, use a little bit of flour, make it easier to handle. Okay, so after kneading for 5-10 minutes, this is it. We're just going to apply some oil on top, just about 1 teaspoon, and just leave it to rest. Okay, that will rest for 5-10 minutes. So in the meanwhile, let's do the topping. That's the butter in a bowl, the grated garlic, which was 1 teaspoon, and the coriander. Mix it together. That's the topping done. Okay guys, this is ready, as you can see. So we're just going to roll this and make a little naan out of it. There you go, just have this like that. Making it in a long oval shape. Can you see the thickness? I'm using a tawa that we use to make paratha to do this, but you can use a pancake pan as well if you don't have one. I'm just going to apply water on one side. What the water will do, it will stick to the pan there. Let me show you. So put it on medium heat at the moment. Put it on there with the water side at the bottom. On this side we'll just apply the butter. The bubbles starting to form, can you see that? It's cooking. So this bit is a little bit tricky. Once you're sure it's cooked, it's cooking from inside and the bubbles have formed, just turn this on the flame like that. See that? Do it a little bit more. Just take something out and take it out. See? There you go. All ready. And on the other side, it's cooked as well. It looks exactly how it does in the restaurant. There you are. It's cooked inside. It smells beautiful. And it's really soft. There you go. Garlic naan is ready.